Hey there YouTube friends, today I'm going to test out the Mibro door lock installation kit that I got from Harbor Freight for about $8.99, and I'm also going to use these spade bits and these chisels that I also got at Harbor Freight. So let's test it out. Okay, with the kit you get the template, you get 2 hole saws right there, and you get the mandrel and adapter. You know, we could call this a jig and a bit, whatever you want to call it. Alright, this jig is adjustable for a 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 back set. So right now we have it adjusted for a 2 3/8 back set, but we could just flip it by pulling this out like that and flipping this over, and now you'll see it's set for a 2 3/4 back set. So if you look at the doorknob, you can see it's further to the left. So we are going to use the 2 3/8 back set, just like that, and we're going to go about 6 inches above the doorknob. Okay, so I have the jig set up where I want it, and now with the 2 screws that came with the deadbolt, I'm just going to screw the jig in place. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to attach the 2 1/8 inch hole saw. And we're just going to remove this nut, and we're going to put the bit in. It's kind of like an oval, so it fits in tight like that. And we're just going to put the nut on, and we're going to just tighten it up. Like that. Okay, now we're going to attach the hole saw to my Warrior drill, which I also got from Harbor Freight, and we're just going to tighten it up just like that. Okay, now we have the hole saw and the jig, and we're all lined up, and we're going to try to keep that nice and level. Alright, now we're going to just complete the hole from the other side of the door. Now again, trying to keep it level, we're going to complete the hole from this side of the door. Alright, so now we're all the way through. I'll just take it out. Alright, now we're just going to unscrew this plug right here, and we're going to switch to the 1 inch hole saw. Okay, if the drill bit gets a little loose, you can just get an Allen wrench and tighten it up just like that. Okay, and now I'll put the 1 inch saw on, and we do that just by dropping the drill bit in. And we come out the other side like that. We push it through, and then we put the nut on. Just like that. And tighten it up. And then, get our drill, drop it in, and just tighten it up like that. Okay, now we have our 1 inch hole saw lined up with the jig, and we're just going to go right in. Okay, we got through, and there it is. Now we're just going to take the jig out. Okay, now unfortunately what I just discovered is that the latch for this deadbolt doesn't quite fit. It's real tight. So that 1 inch hole saw works pretty well, but we need a little bit bigger, so we're going to have to improvise a little bit. Okay, so I removed just enough wood to get it in, and now have to just chisel out a little bit for the plate over here. Never one of my strong points, working with a chisel, but we'll see what we can do. All right, now I'm just gonna follow the lines I drew as I outlined the plate. And I'm just gonna remove a little bit at a time. Make sure we don't go too deep. Just like that. Okay, so I have it all chiseled out, and now I'm going to put in the latch, and you see it says up, so you want it facing up like that. And now I'm going to just put the screws in, but I'm not going to make them real tight. Okay, now with the latch set in place, I'm just going to put on the lock. So there's the front side. Now we'll just go around so you can see. And now we'll just make sure it works. All right, and now I'll screw it in. Okay. All right, now we have a latch in place, and we're just screwing in the lock and the latch. And that is one part of the job that's done. Okay. Alright, now with my wife's nail polish, I'm just going to really try to get this on over here. Make it nice and thick. Now, I'm going to shut the latch and shut the door and make sure shuts, and then I'm gonna try to lock it and make a nice mark. Right over here is our mark. All right, now with my 3/4 inch spade bit, I make the hole for the latch. And I'm just going to chisel up for the latch. Alright, so now we're going to screw in the plate and tighten it up. And we'll test it out. Alright, now we'll give it a test. Alright, works pretty good. And that is my demo of the Mibro door lock installation kit that I got from Harbor Freight for $8.99. I'd give it a thumbs up. Worked out well. As always, please subscribe. Catch you next time. Happy home improvement.